2025 has flown by, and yet again, everyone's spent the year obsessing over their tech stack. More tools, more templates, more time spent stitching everything together. But while the rest of the internet was chasing the perfect combo of databases, forms, and front end, Fillout went ahead and built it. This year, they didn't just ship features. They launched an ecosystem, smarter forms, native databases, and Zite, a no-code app layer built on the very same foundations. Everything you need to capture, automate, build, and get work done without duct tape and no tech stack required. So, what does that ecosystem actually look like? It starts with Fillout, one of the fastest, most flexible form builders around. And in 2025, it leveled up again. Then came Zite, built by the same team, and continued to roll out improvements to Fillout. Zite is where your data lives, your logic runs, and your apps come to life. Think integrated databases, real user permissions, and a no-code builder that enables you to create custom, fully functioning software. In this video, we're looking at the most exciting releases from Fillout and Zite in 2025. Let's kick things off with Fillout. Now, because there were a lot of improvements this year, rather than going just update to update, we're going to stack them together and share with you the ones that matter the most. Kicking it off with form building enhancements. A bunch of long requested features dropped, and the team continued to make building feel smoother and more scalable. We were given smarter field logic, apply conditions, copy logic, and set required fields across multiple questions at once. Time saver. We were also provided with drag and drop relief, because now you can move fields between pages without rebuilding your flow from scratch. New field types also dropped this year, including survey questions and social media handles, making forms feel more relevant and less clunky. Did you make a mistake? Well, now you can undo big edits. Fillout listened and enabled us to restore earlier form versions. And we've also got multi-language support now, so you can translate once, not duplicate everything 5 times. Now, if you've ever duct taped your tools together using Zapier or Make, or you rely on your team to get things done manually just to keep the needle moving, this one's for you. Fillout Workflows launched with everything you need to automate what happens natively. Here's what is now built into Fillout. Trigger automations from field inputs, webhook calls, or even partial submissions, not just full form completions. That's right, you now have the ability to not only trigger an automation when your form is submitted, but if someone drops off of your form, if a webhook call occurs. This is something that is both super exciting and a unique differentiator between Fillout and its competitors. Send alerts, update records, change logic paths, and trigger approval, all without touching code. Fillout also now offers AI actions built natively into the workflows. Summarize, extract, enrich, or classify responses using models like OpenAI and Claude. Bulk approval and rejection of submissions is also now included. Built natively into your Fillout, you now have approval workflows. We've also now got native N8N support, so if you're looking for advanced branching logic or complex automated workflows, you're covered. And you can also now retry failed automations and integrations. You get to see the error, and you don't need any rebuilds, and you're not going to lose your data. With workflows now baked into Fillout, your forms don't just capture data, they build operations. And we also need to mention that Fillout scheduling has received improvements. We're talking about multi-calendar syncing and host reassignment, built-in logic for smoother handoffs and team scheduling. So Fillout workflows now give you logic, but what if you want to turn that logic into actual software, something your team or your customers can interact with? And that's where Zite comes in. Let's say someone submits a request form, a workflow runs, a record gets updated, an approval is triggered, a status changes. With Zite, you can now show that status in a clean client portal, trigger next steps in a dashboard, or give internal teams a live view of what's happening. Zite apps let you build on top of your logic with no extra tools or patchwork needed. It's your app builder, your logic layer, your user interface. 2025 saw Zite drop and improvements were made quickly. You can easily build custom internal tools, portals, dashboards, workflows, websites, and apps. No code needed, but it doesn't stop there. You can create logins, dashboards, and content visibility rules based on user type. With Zite, your forms and workflows aren't just invisible logic, they become real software, all built in one place, powered by your logic and your data. So if Zite apps are the interface, workflows are the logic, Fillout is your data capture and form tool, Then Zite databases are the foundation everything runs on. Launched most recently, Zite databases give you the real backend, built for scale, speed, and no-code simplicity. We are talking fast, relational, and designed to handle serious data, powered by Postgres. With no seat-based pricing, you can share data across your team with zero per-user fees. Generate a database from a form, or vice versa. Everything stays connected. Linked records and structured field types, importing and exporting, REST API, and webhooks as well. You also have the ability to undo, redo, granular permissions, SOC 2 compliancy. So this isn't just an easy feature, it's secure and production grade. No more pushing data from your forms into half-baked Google Sheets. With Zite databases, you're working with structured, connected, queryable data right where your workflows and apps already live. 2025 wasn't just a big year for feature drops with Fillout and Zite. It was the year that they stopped being tools and became an ecosystem. Forms that don't just collect data, they trigger logic, automate workflows, and handle approvals. Apps that let you turn those workflows into fully functional custom software. Polished tools, secure interfaces, websites, and more. And databases that store everything in a structured, scalable backend. No patching required. Everything works together. No context switching, no duct tape, no stack stress. Whether you're building a lead capture flow, a client portal, a project management system, or a new website for your brand, Zite and Fillout is there to help. And now you can do it in one place, end to end. If you're eager to learn how you can use tools like Fillout and Zite to help your business get a head start, get automated, and do more with less, well, head to automationhelpers.com as our team of experts are offering a 30-minute free consultation, so get started today.